Need to check pending transactions or holds in TD Bank. Here's how quickly. On desktop, go to td.com and sign in with your username and password. From Account Summary, locate the account you want and click to open it. In the Account view, open Transactions and apply the pending filter to view holds. Pending items display temporary holds and pending charges with date and amount details. Tip: use date range and search to narrow results, and export if you need a copy. Now on mobile, open the TD Bank app and sign in securely. Tap Accounts at the bottom, then select the account you want to inspect. Swipe to Transactions, then choose the pending filter to show pending charges. Tap any pending item to open details, showing merchant, hold amount, and notes. Holds usually clear in a few business days. Contact TD if a hold takes longer. That's it. Check pending transactions regularly and contact TD if you have questions.